Okay, so now we're gonna glue our pages together for our accordion book. You have three really great, well-folded pages. They look great, feel great, yada, yada, okay? What you wanna do is turn them so they are diamonds in front of you, okay? So these diagonal folds from your taco fold are straight up and down. Okay, straight up and down. Straight up and down, straight up and down, straight up and down. Okay. Next thing you want to do is you want to take this center one. Notice how they're all kind of like bowls, like, I don't know what you'd call it, but like a little bowl. Okay, you want to take this one though and flip it. So it looks like it's an upside down bowl, and these look like they're right side up bowls. When we glue these things, we want to glue in these two pages, these two squares together, and these two squares together, okay? This is what's going to give us all the folding power and all that and our stuff. So we have some, hopefully this is great glue here. Looks like it's a little bit old, but it'll still work. When you're using your glue stick, remember we peanut butter jelly our glue stick. So we want to make sure that the white paper is like the bread, okay? So I'm gonna put, I laid this one page aside. I'll bring it back here in a second, but I'm gonna peanut butter jelly. So I'm gonna go neatly and nicely, just put this on like this. It doesn't have to be thick, just a nice thin one. And remember, this one was upside down, so we have to turn it right side up real quick. And if you don't do it that way, it's okay. You'll just have to do an extra fold. It's okay if you don't turn it upside down. Okay, now we're gonna put these two pieces together, and we wanna make sure when we put them together that they fit nice and snug. Don't press it all the way down yet. You'll be really sad if you're not following directions. We're gonna press it down like this. Oops, and you can see there's a little piece of mine that wants to flick up right there. So I'm gonna add a little bit of more peanut butter jelly paste right there. Glue stick, whatever we're calling it. Got a little bit out there, pull that off. Okay, so we have one that faces kind of up and one that faces kind of down. This center one is key, right here. Okay, so now we're gonna move this a little bit over this way. Got my trusty rusty glue stick. We're gonna do the same thing here. Take the glue stick. Try not to get the glue anywhere other than maybe on the desk, but not on the other paper. Set that a little bit aside. All the way on those edges. I'll bring this guy back. I have to flip him over a little bit. I'm gonna set my glue stick aside and won't close it up just yet because I'm gonna line up the lines. Press it down. Looks really nice. It's a nice tight fit right there. Okay, so now you have the pages for your book. They're all glued together, they're ready to go. We'll put your artworks on here in a minute. But first we need to make sure that this will fold correctly. And we're going to take these two. See how these are right here? These two triangles, we're gonna fold them in like this. These two triangles, we're gonna fold them in like this. This takes a minute. Be very gentle, because you did just glue them. Fold them in and just press them down. Okay, I'm gonna do that again, okay? We're gonna take this one, and maybe I should call it a flap. We're gonna take this corner, we're gonna bend on this. We're gonna push it in like this. We're gonna take this corner, push it in like this, and press down all together. So you've already made your folds, so this should be pretty simple. I'm gonna do it again. Take this corner, push it in like this corner, push it in like this. And if you can see, boop, folds in like that. Okay. We're gonna do the same thing to the other side. So I'm just gonna turn this because I'm right-handed. You might be left-handed, so you'll do it the other way. We're gonna kind of push, take these corners right here. We're gonna do the same thing we did. I'm doing it a little bit different this time just to have a different approach to see how you feel about that. And then we're gonna push them in. If you did nice solid creases, you're gonna be just fine. Okay, I'm just pressing on it. So now it looks like this. Okay, so we have one in. We're gonna take this corner and this corner, push it in. So it's almost like a little pocket right there. Okay, we're gonna turn it over. So now those pieces are on the bottom, okay? What I did was I just turned it over. My diagonal line is still vertical, it's pointing at me. I'm gonna do the same thing. Take this, but it's same but a little bit different. And if you need to move your paper around, move your paper around, okay? So we've got these two lines right here. Might need to crease them in the opposite direction. There we go. We're gonna push it in. Oh my goodness, the secrets have all been told. Okay, I'm gonna do it again. So I've got this paper. I've got everything folded in. I'm gonna flip it over. Everything's pointing towards me. You can turn it to the side if you want. Push this crease right here. I'm gonna do it a little bit different each time. Push it together, gently press. Okay? So it'll spring up a little bit like a slinky, just a little bit, but now you have pages for your artwork to go on inside this book, okay? It just goes all back together like this.